Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening here in Europe. My name is Christine, and I am here with my two accountability partners for our digital business. And we are the EU based Unstoppable Pinay Digital Entrepreneur. And today, or tonight, as it's already night here in Europe, it's our 21st episode for our team ups, the three of us. So I am Christine from Norway. I am a mom I do have two toddlers. One is 5 years old and one is 3 years old. A week from now. So we just celebrated her birthday recently,
Well,
and yeah, in the cabin with friends. So it was so much fun, so much. We are so grateful that we do have the privilege to be with our family, like any time of the year. And how are you, Michelle? How's the weekend with you and your family or your husband?
oh, we are great. We are great. And this week is a bit busy day because it's whole week. So we have so much things to do. It's vacation also for those who are working, right? So, and a bit busy, but we are here still motivated to do our episodes.
That's true. And on the side of Belgium, we do have our accountability partner. Go on, Percy. Welcome back from the Philippines.
Hi everyone. Hi ladies. Good evening. Good morning. Good afternoon or saan man kayo nanonood sa sulok man ng mundo kayo nanonood sa amin. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala si Percy, naka-base dito sa Belgium at from the Philippines. We are from the Philippines. So, dito na rin ako nakatira at dito na rin ako nagtatrabaho. So, I'm running my side hustle quite a while at the same time sa aking free time na oras. Back to you, Christine.
Thank you so much. So our topic for today is we have to share the best and the hardest thing about our online digital business. As what you all know, every kind of business, of course, there's ups and down. It's not always the good thing or the special road for us. We don't have the red carpet. We don't have the special ways for all of us. It's everything is the same. We are like the same traditional business that everybody has, and there's also ups and downs in this kind of business. But the best thing for this business is, of course, our time with ourselves, our family, and the flexibility. Um, Napakahirap nun kapag you have to open your store. Like today, as what you can see, I'm already in my pajamas and I'm here on my living room, but my business is working. Last weekend, we were traveling with our family and friends to celebrate my youngest daughter's birthday, but on the road I got a blessing. So the system works digitally, and it works 24/7. It doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter how you feel. You can still, do the side hustle even you're sick, even if you're working, even if you're with the family, even if you're on vacation. So that's the best thing about this business, actually. And of course, your time with yourself, not only with your loved ones and your family, because the important thing, like for me now, I am a mom, so I am very busy and I'm working also 100% in the hospital in shifting schedules. But as what you can see today is my like free time or my me time. But I'm doing this this business, and I'm chit chatting with my two accountability partners. So these two wonderful ladies that I've met here online. So if that's not the best, so I don't know what's best for you guys. So this business is really the best because You can meet a lot of people worldwide. You can meet the people down under. We're here in Europe and I'm here in Norway, so we are up north. But you can still make friends, and you can still connect with, from the US, from the business partners in Canada, from the business partners all over the world, with different ethnicity, with different race, with different professions. So this business is really amazing. So you just don't need to, it's not only us Filipinos who's doing this business. It's a lot of different people with different backgrounds and different ethnicities. So everyone is welcome in our business, in any race and in any language. So that's the best part of it. So you doesn't need to be like fluent in English or fluent in Tagalog because we're Filipinos, or fluent in our dialects in the Philippines. No, you can do this one anywhere, and you can do this one with any kind of backgrounds you have. You don't need to be like a highly educated person. You don't need to be like a master's degree or a PhD. You don't need to be a tech savvy. This one is for everyone, all walks of life. You can see here in our community. That is the reason why we already have almost 200,000 people in our community. That's the efficiency of this kind of business. So everyone is welcome, as long as you have your strong why, your foundation, and you want to change your life. You want the best life for you and your family. So this is the business for you. How about you, Michelle?
Yeah, you're right. That's the best part of this business. You can work anytime, anywhere, and you can carry your business on vacation, on the go. So it's really great with this business. And beside with what Tins mentioned, that you can have a friend sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo. So, kahit saan ka man na Filipino or kahit anong race. So, we have different business partners from Africa, South Africa, all over the world. We have from Singapore, group, Australia, all over the world. So, this is a great part also na makapag communicate ka with these people, and sometimes they also there to help you or to mentor you. So, napakaganda ng business. The hardest part, I guess, if you don't work on it.
Yeah, in any kind.
But because everything you do here, if you work about it, then I guess you have results, right? But if you don't work on it, then you don't have. So that's the hardest part. Because if you do start your business and you let your business plug in without doing work, it won't work for you. We need it's a business, so you need to be considered na business yon. Kailangan mo mag-start, kailangan mo maglagay ng time, kung mag-time na mag-aral, dahil meron kami mga training, meron kami mga workshop, so matutunan mo kung ano yung pwede mong i-apply doon sa business mo. At beside, we have ang video-based training namin ay napaka-easy po siyang i-follow, and the other people. So we have also those PDFs or na makakatulong sa iyo na ma-base mo doon yung paglago ng business po kung gusto mong i-follow. Some of those gumagana sa iba, yung iba hindi. Kasi every people naman, we have different stories, we have different whys, and we have different things that we wanted to achieve. Di ba? Iba't ibang goal na mayroon tayo. So, kung ano yung gusto mong goal, yung iba yung goal nila. So, sometimes, yung metodo na ginagamit nila, it may not work for you. But, there are some people, like mentioned ni Tin, we have more than 200,000 people all over the world. So, marami ka talagang makikilala dito. Katulad itong dalawa na to, na hindi kami magkikilala. So, magwa 1 year na nagla-live kaming tatlo. So, I'm so grateful na I know this. We continue also our episode, EU-based Unstoppable Pinay. So, kulang pa kami ng isa. So, if you are joining us, you can follow in our pages. You can see our pages at meron kami mga websites. So, pumili ka sa amin kung sinong gusto mong mag-join, and you can join us, and we will include you in this episode if you want. So that's for me.
How about you, Percy? Thank you so much, Michelle. That's really true. And how about you, Percy? What is the best and the hardest for you?
Yeah, hi everyone. As the two ladies mentioned, na ang business na ito is very handy siya kasi pwede nating madala wherever we are or wherever we go. Kasi nga ang aming program ay naka-installed siya ang sa aming mga cellphone at laptop. So, kaya lang ang kailangan po natin dito ay meron tayong strong connection ng internet. Yun po ang napaka-importante sa business na ito. Katulad sa Pilipinas, kung saan yung location mo, masyadong medyo may part sa atin na mahina. Kaya hindi natin minsan mako-coop up katulad ng live webinar or mga Zoom meeting natin. Hindi natin kayang i-accommodate lahat kasi nga sa loading ng internet is mahina. Pero sa Manila, okay naman siya. So, sa hardest things naman sa negosyo na ito, for me, nung una, hindi kasi ako public person. Katulad sa ngayon is mahilig na rin akong mag picture-picture kahit saang mga sayang side o kahit saan pumunta ako or anong mga events na pinupuntahan namin. Minsan, kumukuha na rin ako, mag-shoot na rin ako ng mga picture. Pero before talaga, hindi ako public sa sa social media. Dahil sa negosyo na ito, naging public na rin ako. So, at sa business namin na ito, madali mo lang siyang matutunan kasi nga lahat ng steps kung anong gagawin mo is naka-program na siya. So, hindi naman natin pwedeng sabihin na kailangan nating matalino bago tayo pumasok sa business na ito o maging expert tayo. Dahil lahat naman dito is wala talagang alam. So, kaya nga sa program na ito is naka-step by step talaga siya para sundan. Hindi naman sinasabing maging fluent ka sa English kasi meron namang mga translation sa ating training. So, sa mga gustong sumali sa negosyo na ito, feel free to connect Christine and Michelle. Mayroon kaming mga kanya-kanyang website. So, pumunta lang kayo sa website at i-register nyo lang inyong name and email address para mapanood niyo ang aming free webinar. Every Tuesday and Thursday lang yan. So, i-check nyo lang yung inyong mga time dahil magkakaiba ang oras natin kasi iba't ibang location namin sa ngayon. So, back to you, Christine.
Thank you so much. And aside from our live free webinar, if you cannot catch yung live, feel free to watch the replay. So after the live webinars every Tuesday and Thursday, they also record the replays. So feel free, you can watch it any time of the day. You can pause it if you're busy and then just come back to it anytime. So the business is just there. It's just how to you to handle it and to manage your time, and how are you going to execute whatever you learned from our training. We do have like a massive training from a good and reliable sources, and the training is really really like you have to pay sometimes if you're doing the traditional business. You have to pay thousands of money in able for you to get that kind of training. But here, it's already free. It's already provided for us, guys. So let's give the chance. This chance now, it's for you to have it, and it's for you. It's gonna be life changing, and you will know that your future self will thank you for jumping into this kind of business. This business is your legacy, not only for yourself but also for your family. Every
Yep.
kind of business, there's hard thing and there's always the best thing. If you work for it, the for the worst, so the best thing will be coming. So you have to look forward on the best thing. And your mindset is very important in this kind of business. There's a lot of business there, but you still have to work for it, devote your time. So this business is everything is the same. You have to devote your time. You have to be consistent. You have to, you persistent with your training and with your, execution. Because kung uupo lang po tayo, walang mangyayari sa atin. So you really have to do all the efforts. But in this kind of business, you only need to do 90% because this is like a franchising thing. That everything is 90%, like it's already provided to you. 10% is the only thing that you need to do. So 10% lang po ang hinihingi. It doesn't ask you 100%. So this business is really the best. Ladies, you want to add something? How about you, Michelle?
Yeah, I guess you too. We shared that everything, and we always share to everyone that this business will work for you if you work hard. And there's so much thing in this business, and you know that when you enter this business, you're not alone. It's your business, but you're not alone. So that's all then.
Yeah, I think that's for now. And we have to wrap the night. We have to like already say good night to everyone and good day to, to the people land on the like Australian side and New Zealand side and Papua New Guinea side. We do have also business partners on that on those side of the world.
Yeah.
So the land down under, we do have people there, and we do have people all over the world. So now, thank you so much for watching us, and we do wish you a happy Holy Week. Spend your time with your friends, with your loved ones, and of course by praying to God, because that's the reason of Holy Week.
Yeah.
So thank you so much and have a wonderful night.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone. See you in the next episode next week.
Thank you.